Hey InfoTroopers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that's super important for keeping your food safe and fresh. Understanding the difference between expiration dates, best before dates, and consume before dates. Let's dive in. First up, the expiration date. This is the most critical date you need to pay attention to. The expiration date tells you the last day the product is considered safe to consume. After this date, the food may not only lose its freshness but could potentially be harmful. So, if you see this date has passed, it's time to toss it out. Next, we have the best before date. This one often confuses people. The best before date indicates the period during which the product will be at its best quality, think flavor, texture, and freshness. It doesn't mean the food will go bad right after, but it might start to lose its peak taste or texture. So, you can still eat it after this date, but it might not be as good as it was before. Finally, there's the consume before date, which is often found on perishable items like fresh meats or ready-to-eat salads. This date is all about safety and quality. You should eat the product by this date to enjoy it at its best and avoid any risk of foodborne illness. Unlike the best before date, this one is stricter. If it's passed, it's better to be safe and not eat it. So, to recap, expiration dates are about safety, best before dates are about quality, and consume before dates are a mix of both safety and quality. A good rule of thumb is to regularly check your food labels and plan your meals accordingly. And remember, when in doubt, it's always better to err on the side of caution. I hope this clears up any confusion about these dates on your food. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on how to keep your kitchen safe and organized. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay curious.